opening Zuru surprise unicorn spot. 13 new glitter unicorns. And look what we got too, a golden one. A couple of videos on these if you want to check that out. With food inside, but this one's ponies. But we started liking this toy, and after we opened another one and got this. First, we want to open this one.
And there you go, they are open.
Bring it in. Let's open it. Oh, wait, look, you gotta squish it. Squish the top. We did get all right, let's open our babies. Choose one. So Laura's gonna be opening hers first. Now I'm gonna be opening mine.
So it looks like they have a cute little pull tab, right? Does it make it easier to open?
Yeah, I don't need it.
Oh no, 2 layers of plastic. They really make it tough so nobody can open it at the store. Sometimes when we're at the toy aisle, every once in a while you see some toys opened. So this company really knows how to wrap up their item really good, so customers can open it up at the store without buying it.
Uh-oh.
Okay, oh, more tape, more.
Yeah, I have the scissors.
Okay, here. Can I do this?
Now, very gentle.
Very careful. You don't want to slip. Okay, let's see. What do you got there? Oh, it opens the same way as the...
Let's read it.
Opens the same way as the mystery foods.
It shows all of them.
Wow.
It shows all of them, guys.
So cool.
Dun, dun, dun.
Wow.
We got stickers.
And a little brush.
Yeah, a little comb. Let's open the next. Little pony stuff. Put them here.
Little accessories. Is that like little pony shoes?
Shoes for the pony.
Wow, there's 4.
A star. A little dress.
Wow.
Alright.
So instead of being all ponies.
Wait, the pony!
The big one's the pony?
Yeah. There's your baby. Mama.
Wow.
There's its hair.
The hair is separate? Yeah. Oh my goodness. That's so strange.
How do we connect this? Instructions.
Oh, is that slime?
No.
Look, she has something. I think it's like a slime.
Yeah. Oh.
Uh-oh. I'm videotaping that.
Oh, yeah, she does get slime.
Wow. So you got like a little cool, it's like a little Play-Doh or slime. Pink, and it has glitter. Here, I'll dump out the mini foods so that you can play on this tray.
Help.
Here, go ahead.
Help me.
Okay, so let's check out how this hair works. Here, look it. So the pony has an empty head. And then it has this hard hair. The ears are supposed to fit through those holes, and it's supposed to fit on the head. So let's get this hair connected. Oh, check it out. Here's the little, it's not a pony. It's not a pony, it's a unicorn.
Oh, put the brush over here.
And she has all this little hair.
Now let's
Sparkle hair, a lot of it. To open up her mystery pony or unicorn, she's going to open up her unicorn mystery ball.
Come on. Alright, here we go. Guys. You gotta swirl it and swirl it and swirl it and twirl it. Something stuck. Oh, there it is. And pull. Oh, yeah, and then here's a cut. And swirl it. Huh? Then, wow! Look, there's the big one with the pony on top. Laura, here comes a new pony. So first, we're gonna want to open up. We got comb. glitter dolphins. Alright, let's see what's in next. Oh, wow. That was so crazy. Look, we've got yellow sand. That's so pretty. Even. Okay. Wow, look at this. We got a golden pony. Mom, and a rainbow. Dad, alright. Wow, look at these accessories. They're very pretty shoes. But you only get 2. So we're going to put these shoes on.
Look at this, everybody. It smells like lemons in here because she put on her like Play-Doh. Is it like a Play-Doh I gave you? It's like a foamy Play-Doh. It smells like lemons. And look what you could do with it. You can give your unicorn a really cool hairstyle.
Look at this hairstyle.
Now she looks like a cotton candy head. Like just such yellow cotton candy and red. Or she's having a bubblegum emergency and all the bubblegum stuck there. Alright, look at, so that is the final look. And guess what? Shariah had a good idea that you can even take some of that dough and make a little face mask. Yes, it's almost there.
Okay.
So, are you gonna open the unicorn first or no?
No, the unicorn's gonna be last.
Save the best for last.
Mm-hmm. We got some purple slime.
That's the most beautiful color so far.
And then, ooh, we got some running shoes.
It's like those little sandals with the wood at the bottom.
That goes clap, clap, clap.
I think they're like wooden heels.
All right.
But right now they're plastic.
We got this.
What's that?
A fan.
Oh wow! I think this is gonna be so beautiful. Oh, what kind of outfit did you get? What kind of outfit is this?
Ooh, we got sushi
stickers.
Sushi.
Oh, this is like
a little fan.
This is gonna be a Japanese themed unicorn.
And let's do the last one, the best.
I'm excited. I'm excited. Oh, what color hair?
Pink.
Pink.
Flowers in there.
Oh, beautiful. She's like a little geisha unicorn. How creative. Her hair is easy to put on, right?
Yeah.
And she has so much glitters in her hair. They all have glitter here. So much glitter. Those little sparkles really stand out in that pink hair.
Okay, now we're gonna put in the shoes.
And let's check out those sushi stickers. Let's see all the stickers. So far we got the sushi stickers. We got these sea theme stickers. And
a little peace sign.
A little peace sign and diamonds and lips.
There it is. Now, oh no.
Oh, that's really pretty.
Where's the little...
Right?
Oh look, they also give you a little flower. Like that. And we got a little brush.
We got one bow brush, rainbow brush. What's the last one?
Honey. Can we share this one? Mom, she's not sharing.
I don't want to hear it.
Come on.
Ooh. Another one. Another little booklet. Oh, what'd you get? Oh, wow. Look at that one's hair. It's orange. Ooh, I wonder if this is going to be like a little cake decorating unicorn or a little chef unicorn.
Laura,
hard to open. Oh, what's that? A red slime?
I now want to take time.
Oh, a red clay? A pink one. A pink one with glitter. Wow, what else you get in there? Comb and stickers.
Yeah.
Ooh, she got a candy thing.
Wait a minute.
Oh, I bet she's gonna have a lollipop dress. See that? Oh, she has a candy hair accessory. And look at all those shoes.
You missed one.
She got shoes and a polka dot dress. No. And she has a little lollipop there. Now it's time to get this unicorn ready. Oh, look at that. She put little shoes on her fingers. Now you have little unicorn shoes on your fingers. Are you walking around? Do a little dance. Say cha 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 cha. Okay, everybody. So check out this. Here is the glitter. Oh, you know what? That's supposed to be glitter unicorn poop. Oh, look at this. You got Rain. And Rain is probably like, I guess she's like a very fashionable unicorn. Here is Lily. Lily likes candy, it looks like. Here's Jenny. She looks like a workout unicorn. Cooper is another candy-themed unicorn. Alina looks like a ballet unicorn. Lively is, looks like Rockstar unicorn. Royal is like a mermaid. Ooh, look how fancy that one is. Stella is so shiny and sparkly. She's probably like a space unicorn. Oh, this is so cute. This kind of looks like Ariel, kind of. This one's name is Disco. She kind of looks like a little mermaid unicorn. Look at Rocky. Rocky is like a rock star unicorn. That's probably a boy unicorn. And here's Kat. Kat looks like she is into pastries and donuts and cookies. Here's Bree. She has glasses and she looks like another rock star unicorn. And Riley. Riley is like, she looks like the unicorn that just came from Japan. And she has her little sushi stickers and her cute little heels and fancy hairstyle. Look, there's the very last one and she's blowing up a balloon. So that's all of them. Did you like this toy? You want more? Who wants more?
Me.
Did you like this toy?
Please like this video if you want more videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Hey Valora, I'm the little unicorn and I'm alive. I love you. Do you love me? Yay! Can I give you a kiss? Oh yeah, thanks for making us look beautiful. Hey, what about me? I'm all alone in that box. I was scared.
Right.
My mermaid tail fell off. I don't want to go back in the box. I don't want to go back in the box. Yay! Thanks for putting my skirt on. Ooh, you're making me look cute. Ooh, you put all my shoes on. Thank you.
Goodbye.
Oh.